car. Driver X, John Reynolds Jr. wheeling that number 8 machine. We'll see how he does starting on the pole this race here. We had a chance to talk to him. They said that car is very fast. Let's see what he does as the lights on the car corner pace car are going out. We are going racing this next time around.
Yeah, it's shiny white, too. It's like glowing white.
Yeah, all those cars, very good-looking cars. I think this is probably my favorite division to watch, just with the throwback schemes with all the older cars. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it'll be Terrence Robinson and the number 8 of John Reynolds Jr. in the battle for that first spot. Everything's tight in turns 1 and 2, 3 and 4 so far.
Fry looking to the outside of John Reynolds Jr. right now for that third spot. Here comes Fry on the outside of Driver X. He's going to take that third spot. Trevor Robinson starting to look on the inside of Reynolds as well. Maybe that inside lane's not so great tonight. Howie Ware all over the rear end of Driver X. Here comes Chad Smith on the outside of Driver X. Driver X is off the pace. Something's wrong with that number 8 car. He's just going to drop in there behind the field. Maybe something just doesn't feel right, or that inside might just not be the right thing.
Well, it's T-Rob Terrence Robinson, a hold of Johnny Robinson, first, second, Garrett Fry in that third spot. Trevor Robinson, yeah, there are 3 Robinsons in the top 4. And Chad Smith, the 82, rounding off your top 5.
So Johnny looking at brother
Terrence T-Rob.
We got the Robinsons all confused. We got 9-9, 9-9, and 9-6, and 9-9.
And then a 2-9.
Lots of 99s out there.
So many 9s. It must be a lucky number here tonight.
Right.
Terrence Robinson is in a battle with his brother and Johnny. Here come a couple of Robinsons in first and second. Fry still in that third spot in the 96.
2 to go this time around. We're going to see what happens. The white flag will be coming out next time around here. Oh, John Reynolds Jr. got a little loose coming out of turn 2. Held on to it, though. That's a good deal for Driver X.
Terrence in first, Johnny in second, Fry in third, as Johnny with a little battle with Terrence. Trevor in fourth. Smith trying to get to that 4th spot if he can. He's hanging in the 5th spot with that 82.
As Trevor Robinson and Chad Smith ran into each other a little bit coming out of turn 4. Hopefully nobody's too upset. Just a little beating and banging, rubbin's racing, as they say in that movie Days of Thunder. Actually, he's got that throwback Days of Thunder scheme there.
Terrence Robinson first, Johnny Robinson the second, Garrett Fry third, Trevor Robinson fourth, Chad Smith in fifth, Howie Ware sixth, Josh Thiering in the 7th, and John Reynolds Jr. in 8th. Terrence Robinson, the mailman, the Last Lap Bar, Ridge Runner Racing, Borderline Auto Sales, Byron Auto Body, prime sponsors for this Beloit, Wisconsin native who is 4th in the points. And this is his 5th heat win of the year.
He just might be your mailman, ladies and gentlemen. How about that? You might have a race car driver for a mailman. Isn't there a couple of mailmen out here that race? I think we got 2 of them. I think Trevor Robinson also is a mailman.
Yeah, both Robinsons.
All right. I don't know if he's going to get out or not. Let's see if he's going to get out.